Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add your USB flash drive to the dock using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a USB flash drive. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the Find application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's bring in the USB flash drive into the frame. Insert that into the Mac computer. We should see that pop up on screen. That's okay. Click on this. And now if I were to, let's just say, minimize the Find application for the moment, go all the way down to the dock. We wish to have this USB flash drive accessible on the dock at all times when plugged into the Mac computer. Go back to Finder, go to Locations, right click on that USB-1 and click on Add to Dock. If I now go all the way down to the dock, there we have it, USB-1. Let's now quit Finder, right click on USB-1, eject, remove from the Mac computer, go down to the dock, and we still have the icon visible on screen. If I were to, let's just say, click on this, we would receive the question mark as the USB is not in frame. Let's now re-add this to the Mac computer. And now wait for that to load. Once we see that pop up on screen, we can now click on the icon on the dock. And there we have it. That is now shown up on screen for us to use as part of the dock shortcut. So we can now right click USB-1, eject, and remove from the system. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.